Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Solis and I'm from Grand Canyon University. Today I'm going to be talking about a new idea for making renewable energy. This idea comes from watching how kelp moves in the ocean. The title of this presentation is Tidal Energy, Harvesting Inspired by Kelp Movement, a Biomimicry Approach to Renewable Energy. Let's start with biomimicry. That's just a big word for copying smart ideas from nature to help solve problems. Nature has already solved a lot of challenges, so we can learn from it. Why tidal energy? Tides in the ocean are strong and very steady. They come and go every day without stopping. If we can capture some of this energy, we can make clean power and use less oil and gas. Inspiration from kelp movement. For my project, I looked at kelp, big seaweeds that live in the ocean. Kelp bends and moves with the water currents instead of fighting them. It uses the energy from the water to help it grow and survive. Kelp is great for this idea because it is really bendy and tough, and it does not break even when those waves are very strong. It also moves in a way that is very good at taking in energy from the moving water. Concept overview. So my idea is to build a special system that looked and acts like kelp. These would be placed in areas with strong tides. They would move back and forth with the water, just like real kelp does. The goal is to make electricity in a steady and natural way. Because we're using the water's natural motion, we can keep the machines working longer without breaking them. System design. Looking closer at how it would work, there would be a solid base at the bottom, holding the kelp in place. The fake kelp would be made of strong, flexible, eco-friendly materials along the fake kelp. Along with this fake kelp, there's going to be special devices that turn the movement into electricity. Every time the kelp bends, it makes power that we can use. Benefits of kelp-inspired system. There are some big benefits to the system. First, it's very good for the environment. No spinning blades means fish and other sea life can swim safely. It doesn't mess up the underwater world. Second, it can make energy without costing too much once it's built. These systems could be used almost anywhere by the sea. They could help bring clean power to lots of places that need them. Challenges. Of course, there are some problems to solve here. The biggest is making sure our fake kelp and its parts don't get ruined by the salty ocean water. We also need to make sure that putting these systems in the water doesn't hurt sea animals or plants. Future directions. Next, we want to make better, long-lasting materials. We also plan to try out the system in real oceans and to see how well it works. Conclusion. To sum up, kelp-inspired energy systems give us a clever, natural-based way to make clean electricity. Biomimicry shows us that we can solve big problems by learning from nature. But to make this happen, we need funding for more research and people from different fields working together. If we do that, we can turn this idea into something real that helps our planet. Thank you. References. Thank you.